So I know that you are pumped up, ready to actually take action. You understand me? In other words, you have watched the first video that actually show as in tell you some story about how my account and my experience and what I got from experience in discussion with a lady that helped me in business, helped me to understand that actually the business is not all about telling people about stuff. It's all about caring for somebody. I don't know what if you get. So if you can take again, it's one of the highest inspiration to you. Like if somebody can get into your world when it comes to marketing, and after seeing what you are offering, now let's assume that you have him on your list, but you don't go on and take care of him again. Well, you are not trying to lead him to where he's looking for. Probably he can look for another person that can help him. I don't know what if you get it. So it's not a matter of one time. I didn't know what if you get it. So probably you watch the video and you learn a lot from it. And the second one, I showed you the video, I showed you the compensation, the 4% compensation. That is what you have to invest and what you need to gain. You understand me? And what you have to gain. And again, I believe that you are pumped up. You are like, I'm ready to actually take this particular shot. You understand me? So now, on this particular video, what I have to say, this video is concerned mainly for the people that wanted to purchase 4%, but their country not listed. In other words, ClickBank said that they don't need to be doing business with them, probably for now. So understand me? In other words, their country not listed among the list of the country that ClickBank actually actually dealing stuff. You understand? So some of them were like they are contacting me. They were like, how can they buy this? That they were fired up to buy this particular stuff. You understand? So I have to tell you how you can get that particular access to this particular stuff. One thing I will advise you is on this particular video, you pay very close attention. It will be very short, but it will if you didn't do it in a way that I actually showed you to do it, probably you might miss something else. I don't know what if you get it. There are no words about it. So what I wanted to show you is actually how you can bypass that particular process. Again, step by step, I will show it to you and actually buy this particular store because I think so most of the time it's crazy to me that some merchants online will say that they don't want to be doing business with some countries, but actually probably it's because of the the mindset of those particular countries. So one thing I would advise you is actually be ready. And again, don't focus much on money. Remember, focus much on what you have to become. Because if you become that particular person that is worthy of making that particular money you wanted to make, then the money will come to stay. I don't know how to explain this particular stuff. Just focus on that particular area. The money will come on its own, not you to pursue the money. The money will actually pursue you when you become the person you need to become. I don't know what you get, and this particular training will help you to actually become that part. It's not a way for you to discover yourself. So without wasting time, I will show you step by step on how you do it. On this page, on the page you got this particular video. In other words, on this particular page, so understand me. So you have to okay, let's do it in this way. Why not for us to do it this way? The first thing we need to do is actually let's assume that you have actually click any link to get this page you are looking at now. So the first step is actually to close this particular page. Very simple stuff. Do this now. I'm telling you step by step. So you have to close it, and once you close it, probably you are on this particular page again. As you can see that I hide this particular URL. That is awesome. The reason why I did that is actually we are doing this particular thing in group. So if you look up with the wherever you download this particular video, you will see a page that this particular video is. Again, if you get this particular video from wherever, from whichever, from anywhere, look around and you see a page that will lead you to either where you can put in your email to get access to this particular to the page I'm talking about. So understand me? So even if there is no, so what you need to do is, as you can see on this particular page, you have join 4% here, we have join Global Freelance Academy here, we have get 100% free paper here. You understand? So now let's do this thing step by step so that it will not confuse you. The first thing we needed to do is actually go to new tab and actually type hua.net. In other words, this particular stuff, and click on enter. We wanted to know where we are browsing from. As you can see, we are browsing from at the right time. This particular time I'm browsing from Nigeria. I didn't know they forget it. So I needed to actually bypass to change my IP so that wherever I'm going to will actually see me. Like if I'm going to ClickBank or 4%, they will see me as if say that I'm browsing from US. That is what we needed to achieve now. And to achieve that at this particular time, what you have to do is actually go to new tab again and actually type something like type this particular name, Touch V VPN. Very simple. So once you type Touch VPN, this particular first link, most of the time, even if it's first or second, but it has to be chrome.google.com website and blah blah blah. So most of the time it can be second or first, you understand, but we are going to get the Chrome version. Again, the browser you have to use for this particular if you wanted to buy this particular stuff, again, if this thing is only applicable for the people that their country not listed on the ClickBank website other page, you understand. So I would advise you to use Chrome browser. Chrome browser, very simple stuff. So most of the time this thing will come up like this, most of the time it will not come up. So let me show you, in case if it didn't come up, you have to actually click on this particular top right side to close it. So once you are at that particular place, you go to this particular left top side search choose understand me, and type the same Touch VPN. Again, the reason why I did this particular stuff, in case if that particular page that pop up did not pop up, so understand me. So you have to click on enter. Once you click on enter, this guy is what we're actually looking for. So you have to actually click on add to Chrome. Remember, we are using Chrome browser. Then once this particular stuff come up, you have to click on add extension. You understand me? Very simple stuff. You don't need to be confused. I'm doing this particular stuff step by step so that there's no reason for you to be confused. And within some seconds or within some minutes, you understand me? So that particular stuff that will add, as you can see, is still shaking up here because of my network is actually somehow slow, but within some seconds or some seconds it's supposed to actually appear at this particular top right side. You understand me? This particular top, as you can see, it just appeared even before I could even finish this particular stuff. You understand me? So most of the time it will try to get this particular stuff. Let me close it. So I can now close this particular stuff. Again, step by step, whatever you do that. I can close this particular stuff. As you can see, I'm still in Nigeria. So what I need to do is to go and click on this particular icon at the top right side, which is the VPN. I can click on it. And once I click on it, it will actually bring out something like this. Most of the time, it will ask you to log in or something like that. So I have to actually go to best choice and actually select the United States of America. So and I'll have to click on connect. So actually, what I'm doing in the sense is I'm telling Touch VPN to change my IP as to be as if say that I'm browsing from United States of America. Very simple. So all this particular stuff that says that give this particular, as you can see, all this particular stuff that says enable. So I have to enable all these red icons. Very simple stuff. And I can go down this auto protect browser, enable it. The only one I don't need to enable is this one that says website is ignored secure connection even when your protection connection is turned on. Exclude website. So I don't want to exclude any website. All websites I wanted to actually cover it. So this particular web ROT blocker enable. Again, if my webcam actually cover this particular stuff, just enable bypass local network enable. You understand? So this particular only exclude website is what I will not exclude for right now. So I will go to, once after doing it, I'll just go to that the same URL and actually refresh it. You understand me? To know where I'm browsing. As you can see, it just shows that I'm browsing from United States of America. Now, you understand me? So once this particular who has said this particular stuff, you go down, you can see this particular thing called zip. You understand me? You can need this particular zip. You understand me? So you probably have to copy it and save it somewhere else. Again, you don't necessarily, your own zip might be different depending on the time you are browsing, the IP they issue to you. There's nobody forget it, because actually what you need to do is, because ClickBank actually, by the algorithm they have, in other words, they are tracking algorithm, they will be able to know if you sound to be from USA or from whichever country, they will be able to know the city. In other words, from the zip code, they will be able to know the city that actually issued you that particular zip code. And no, you get it. So we needed to be as certain as clear as if to say that we are browsing from that particular country. at that particular moment in time. So once after you found out that you have changed your IP, you go to that particular website that you are watching this particular video from, or you downloaded this particular video from. Again, go to that particular website. That is the only way that you can get this particular stuff. If this particular website do not have any of this particular where to join 5% or some other thing, probably what you have to do is go to Global Freelance Academy. A simple stuff. Go to globalfreelanceacademy.com. Then you can actually look below the Global Freelance Academy. You can see our contact link. You understand our contact email. Then you send us email with the link you see this particular video, so that we can give you the referral link of that particular person. You need to join from somebody's referral link. You understand me? So that particular store, once you get to the where you are watching this particular video, you see where you say join 4% here, and you see where you say join Global Freelance Academy here, and you see where you say get 100% free paper. One thing I would advise you in this particular buying, in this particular purchase we need to make is, number one thing, we have to use paper to do it. If your country is allowed to use paper, like Nigeria now, we can use paper to buy something. We can create Nigerian paper to use it to buy something and link our Nigerian card to it. Very simple. So if your country paper is allowed there, then why not open the paper of your country? Like in our Nigeria, we can't use it to receive at the time I recorded this video, but as you receive money, but you can use it to buy something. So why should I use foreign paper since I can use my local paper to buy something online? I didn't know if you get it. It's very simple stuff. So I can use my Nigeria paper, but if your country is not, paper is not allowing your country at all, whether to receive money or to buy stuff, especially to buy stuff, if they are not allowing you. So what you have to do is actually you click on this particular page, say this particular link, it will take you to this particular page, so you can watch this particular video and actually see what is going on. You understand? Then you click on the share and download button, this particular share and download button. Once you click on this particular share and download button, then you'll be able to see where you can download. It might be free ebook, or it might be free video that walk you through on how to open a paper that you can use to buy something and receive money. Very simple stuff. That particular stuff is a free gift. Again, after that, you always try to show appreciation by going to, as you can see, some other people are showing their appreciation. So you can show appreciation. Go to this particular place and type comment whatever you wanted to comment. So before we lose, and again, how I advise you, a lot of you people are just one kind. I don't understand one kind lazy. Again, always tell me how you feel here. Just comment at this particular button that you see this. Even if you see my, just comment at the below button. You understand me? And I will advise you to actually click on this particular button, check button that says also post on Facebook before you can actually post your comments. Again, comment on this particular stuff and tell me what you think about this particular video. Join our groups. Look at our YouTube groups, subscribe to our channel, so join our fan page group, join our Facebook group, and join our Telegram group by clicking on this particular links. Again, if you wanted to copy them, you can copy them and just paste them on your browser, and it will open that particular place. You understand me? Very simple stuff. But this one, you don't need to copy this particular one. You just need to click on this. I just showed you how to get paper. Again, if your country is not allowed, paper is not allow your country, but if paper allowed your country, even if it's only dire transaction, in other words, you just use to pay for something, as far as you can use it to pay for something, use your country paper for this transaction. The reason why I'm saying this thing is because actually this particular 4%, to join the challenge, you have to pay $1 at the time I'm recording this video, $1 for 7 days. Then after 7 days, they have to charge you automatically. You understand me? Through your whichever medium you use to buy something, which we are using now is paper. So through your paper, they have to actually charge you $49 for the next month, except if you're smart enough to buy one-time package of $497. I don't know whether if you get it, then you can be but once you're on the subscription, they will be charging you monthly. But if you are smart enough to buy the complete package without subscription, then you just pay for one. They will not pay you every month. You understand? So you needed to have money on the bank account that you link your card to your paper. I didn't know if you get it, so that there will nothing be like chargeback. I believe I explained this particular stuff. You understand very well. So since you are now in USA, browsing from USA, you have to click on this particular. It's only then. Remember that I closed the first page of the 4%. Again, I will show you the reason why I do that. It's only then that you can click on join 4% here. Boom. Very simple. So then it will still take you to that particular 4% page. I don't know whether if you get this particular stuff, but actually by now you are browsing from USA, so the transaction will work. Had it been that you didn't close it and follow this particular my step to click on this particular link to get to this particular place, then let me actually pause this video. Then the transaction will not work. That is number one. You understand me? Then I will show you number two. So once after that, once you still click on the go to this particular page, the same page, you understand me that I've closed before, but I have now changed the IP. Remember, I didn't copy the page. I just click by going to the page that I'm watching this particular video to click on join 4%. Otherwise, you miss this particular stuff and they might not be able to purchase it. You understand? So once I get to this particular stuff now, so what I needed to do is actually go to this particular place. As you can see, at the time I'm recording this particular video, somebody actually is calling me on phone. I have to apologize for that particular stuff. Understand me? So now one thing I have to actually do right now is, since I'm on this page, remember I didn't copy it. Let me actually show you what I did after I know that I'm now in US. You understand me? So I go to the page this video is, and I will see where they say it says join 4% here. So I will click on that particular link, not copy, click on that particular link to join 4%. Very simple. So it will still take me to that particular 4% page, but this particular one browsing as if say that as I'm in USA. So understand me? So that is the only thing I have to actually show you now. So actually the next thing you need to do is actually,
Hey my friend, Vic Strizius here.
actually pause this video. So understand me? So the next thing you need to do is actually you go to this particular place that you says get started for just $1 and just click on it. The reason why I'm clicking on this particular page now is because I actually come to this particular page from this particular page here now after I have already changed my IP as if I'm browsing from US. So now the 4% is seeing me as somebody is browsing for US. I hope you get it before I get to this particular page. Otherwise, without that, you lose it. So I have to click on this particular get started for $1. Then it will take me to actually click bank payment order. Again, they don't deal with many countries, they only deal with Nigeria. Because my IP shows I mean say they are not dealing with many countries, like they are not dealing with Nigeria, but they are dealing with some countries. Because my IP is in US here now, this particular United States, so as you can see, Cleveland was able to discover to find out that I'm from US. I didn't know if you say in this particular country, so they automatically select it. You understand me? Even if they didn't automatically select it, you manually do that particular solve. So they have two methods of payment. Again, you don't need to be a member of ClickBank before you can buy something from them. Once you buy 4% this particular package, I will actually show you how you can get your hand on a video that will show you on how to become a member of ClickBank account, a member of ClickBank, so that you can be promoting their offer. And if you get it, so do not actually be worried about, oh, if I join this particular program now, how can I promote it? Since I'm not a ClickBank member, I will show you how you can get the video that shows that particular one after you join 4%. Then I will show you how you can get that particular video. That is number one thing. Then the number two, you don't necessarily need to be a ClickBank member before you can buy something from them. That is what we wanted to actually do now. Wanted to buy something from them, but you must be from the country that they have supported. If they don't support your country, you can't buy something from them. So understand me? So now, as you can see, it says United States. Then they have two options of buying something, payments. In other words, they have credit card, they have paper. So I have to actually select paper option. Very simple. So once I select paper options, remember that it's a trial version of 4%, which is $1 for 7 days, and after 7 days you can buy you can be paying for $49, or after the purchase you can just upgrade to $49. $407 one-time payment. You understand? Depending on your amount. So I have now click on PayPal. Then I have to actually agree on this particular stuff. But if you look now, they were asking for a zip code to be sure, because they have algorithm, the algorithm that will check to know whether if I'm US. You understand me? USA. So I have to go to that particular place, that particular Hua.net, and go down. Depending on it's not a more that is 101 that your own will be. So whatever that is in zip code, that's what you have to copy to this particular place, then you press it. Remember, whatever that is there, do not copy what I copy, because it might not be what is in my own that is in what is your own. So understand me? So you have to copy it, and once you copy it, then what we need to do now is just to bypass this particular people. Simple. So understand me? So we have to actually click on pay now, because we want to bypass this particular ugly link, ClickBank order page that is wanting to know where we are browsing from. Very simple stuff. I don't know whether you get it. So once you are here now, what left for you is actually to put your PayPal email and click on next. Depending on how PayPal design the other page, click on PayPal email and click on next and type their PayPal password. Now PayPal, so you use PayPal to actually buy 4%. Do you see how I bypass it? Very simple. So what I really did is actually I closed the 4% web page that you are, and I go to the page that I'm watching this particular video, which is this particular page that I'm watching this particular video. So I close the 4% page. That's number one. Number two, I go to Hua to see actually where I'm Hua.net to see actually where I'm browsing, and I was browsing from Nigeria. Whichever country it is, it will show your IP. You understand me? So I was browsing from Nigeria then I got this particular awesome to touch VPN, use it to actually get this particular access. Most of the time they will ask you to, the VPN will ask you to sign up, to sign in. Just close it again, close that particular sign up, cancel it or something like that. And most of the time they will tell you to share it before you can use USA. Whichever one, just only what I needed to do is to enable all this particular block. I don't want tracker to be tracking me. That's why I tell this particular VPN to block all this particular stuff so that they cannot track me. So after doing all that particular one, then I select USA. Then I can, after selecting USA, I just tell the touch VPN to block all this particular stuff, except the one I cannot click is this particular one that said exclude website, because I don't want to exclude website. I want it to block from any website at the time I'm doing this particular stuff. So after then, now I go to Hua.net again to check whether if you have changed to my to US, and since it have changed to US, so I'm now browsing from US, even as much that I'm browsing from Nigeria, but the internet will see me as I'm browsing from US. Then only that you go to the page that this video is hosted and actually click on join 4%. It's only then, so that when I click on it, it will now take me to this particular place as somebody that in US. Very simple stuff. Then I'll be able to get, like, if I'll be able to get to this particular stuff. Again, let me show you this particular stuff before. Let's assume that I click on join now. Let me show you this particular stuff, because if you do not go here and click on join 4%, then when you come to this particular ClickBank order, if you go down, you will not see this affiliate will say none. So if the affiliate say none, if this particular link that this thing that say affiliate goes to, if it say none, then you know that you are missing something. Probably you get to this particular page before you change your IP. Or I didn't know if you get it. So if you get to this particular place before you change your IP, just close it, change your IP, and just go to this particular page where you are watching this video. Click on join 4%. You understand me? Once you follow that particular process as I explained it now, then you'll be able to this particular place that it says affiliate equals to whatever it is, any name that is here, as far as that is not known, NONE, you are free to continue with payment. You understand? So, but if it's known, you're missing something, then you watch this particular video over to follow the step. But if it's not known, whether if it's lion finger or whatever it is, as far as that is not known, then you can go on and purchase your stuff. I don't know what if you get it, but if it's known, you're missing something out. start over, watch the video again before you can get this particular stuff. You understand me? That is actually what I wanted to show you. So after you just buy stuff, so what will happen now if you put your email, put your password of the paper, if your paper allow your country, put that particular your paper from your country here. Then if it not allow your country, then you can go to this particular below place and actually get this particular ebook that will show you how to open a paper from anywhere you are. You understand me? Use that particular one. But if paper allow your country, remember we only use this particular stuff to pay to buy something. You can still get this particular ebook for yourself or this particular training for yourself, but use your country paper. Use your country paper. Except that for paper is not accepting your country before you can use this particular stuff. Again, you can ask me how to put money into your country paper. If you can't transfer money into your paper, in other words, your paper is not accepting money, you can still link your bank card on your paper so that at the process of payment, people will actually take cash to go to your account and use it to buy stuff. That is actually what's happened. So regardless of the email of the paper, that is where ClickBank will send you your package after you buy something. So what you need to do now is you have to log in with that particular email of your paper with your ClickBank account. They will send you their login details to your email. So understand me? So after then, once you log in, then you have to go to this particular place, this particular top right side, whether a picture is there or not there. Then you click on this particular account setting. Account setting. I don't know if you can see it. Account setting. Then once you click account setting, boom, it will take you to this particular place. I just remove my number from this particular place. You understand? So what you have to do now is you actually, as you can see below this particular place where my camera is, you can see chat box. You understand me? So below this particular place where my camera is, you can see chat box, or you can go to support, something like that. Go to support, then send this particular 4% email and give them your real detail. Remember, for this particular country, they will say something like US, and here they will type whatever state it is. You understand me? So you have to give them your address, your real name. If your real name is what actually you use, you understand me? Then you have to leave it like that. Then you give them your address, then you give them your country, give them your state, give them your city, give them your zip code on email. Just send them an email, then give them your phone number. Tell them actually to effect your profile with that, because you bought this particular payment section by bypass. I didn't know what if you get it, so that they will affect it. Like after I bought my own, it was USA, but I sent them an email, so they have to send change in Nigeria and Enugu and some other things. So that is what you have to do. I didn't know whether is there anything confusing you. I believe that nothing is confusing. Again, once you buy this particular payment session, then in the next, after you bought it, don't worry, the system will let me know that you do, or will let whomever that referred you to the system know that you do. Then what you need to do is actually will follow you up to, I will follow you personally, follow you guys up to actually show you how to benefit from this particular 4%. Remember, we are looking for two things. One is 80%, the other one is 30%, and that particular one that is 30% will that is 80%, that 30 will actually give us what we are looking for. In other words, what we need to do is how can I grow myself to the person I need to be? That is number one. Number two is the mechanics. What do I need to do in the physical world, in the visible world? The other one is invisible, which is 80%. But people are not paying attention to it. Once I know it, then the other one is the 30% is actually, say the 20% is actually the mechanics, what I need to do, run traffic and some other things, where people are focusing much. Focus on the invisible much. And again, you learn a lot from this particular stuff. So once the invisible 80% plus the visible 20% actually meet in you, in other words, you become this particular person that have this particular two, then you can make any amount of money you want in your life. You can achieve anything you want to achieve. I am guaranteeing you that particular stuff. Want this too much, so you need to get this particular stuff. You understand? So without wasting time, I have to wrap up this particular video here. When you join global, when you join the 4%, then I will talk to you in the next video, in the upcoming training, helping you guys to actually be successful here. Do not waste your time. A lot of all online marketers that are crying out in Nigeria now, majority of them are, this is the well where they get this particular water that they're pouring upon you. So understand me. So without well, and the majority of them actually get to this particular guide through me. So that is actually what I wanted to show you on this particular video. Very simple. So again, I will see you in the when you join, so that I will show you the right way to do this particular stuff right. I will see you then. Bye.